Hello guys, my name is Olha Batchvarov and I'm a modeler from Ukraine. In Europe, ship modeling is a sport, so I got my Master of Sport of Ukraine before moving to the United States. Here it is just a hobby, but I still have a desire to share my knowledge and techniques, starting from how to start in this hobby and ending with how to improve and develop the skills you already have. That is why I started online courses. On recorded live broadcasts, you can build with me a model of a lobster smack. Dive into adventures of wooden ship modeling with all the pitfalls which I can help you easily avoid, where in the end of this adventure you will get your own version of a lobster smack. 35 episodes and full build log are already available on my YouTube channel, which you can find under my name. You can watch all these videos even before starting construction or join the current group project. So, I hope to see you soon on live broadcast every Sunday and Saturday at 10 AM Eastern Time. Feel free to ask any questions in live chat and I will be happy to answer them. Good luck and happy modeling!